Bhí grúpa agin ag éirí seo a dhéanamh ag an Kilcorn an scoil, agus bhí airgidí chuairn donna cultaithe. A group of us want to do a show as part of the school concert and we needed money to buy the costumes. Hopefully much Díolachán Cáca a dhéanamh agus dear much cad a virgin. Dainty virgin ach they are planning a curlicula ar dus. We decided to have a cake sale and asked Virgin for permission. She agreed, but we had to put together a plan first. Churmuid an plan le chéile, dhearmuid poster agus scríbmuid an math lecture donna tistí. An sin rin gach duine bhí páirte sa show cad Bonavie agus Khaki. We made a plan, designed a poster and wrote a letter to parents. Then everyone who was part of the act made some cakes and buns. Tosaway and Díolachán rebel lad, Tasila can go below ruddy again. Tamid nervous agus toki ag an ancairna. The sale will start soon. We hope that we have enough goods. We are nervous and excited at the same time.